Okay, are you the one who used to play 90 FPS on OnePlus smartphones and that too a specific game called PUBG? But after the release of BGMI, we don't get to see 90 FPS support on any of the OnePlus smartphones. But if you still wish to play PUBG Mobile with 90 FPS, then you can play the way we are playing on our OnePlus smartphones. And in this video, we'll tell you guys how to play PUBG Mobile with 90 FPS and it doesn't require any kind of routing or anything. We'll also test out the gaming performance of OnePlus 11 with 90 FPS. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see we have our OnePlus 11 which is currently running on the latest build of Oxygen OS 13 which comes with March security patch. So as you all know, BGMI doesn't support 90 FPS. Let me show you once. If you see here in the graphics settings, you can see under smooth graphic settings, we only have the maximum option of extreme. We don't get to see 90 FPS. And even I have stopped playing BGMI nowadays. I have switched to PUBG Mobile and let me tell you, play PUBG Mobile in India. So what you have to do is you need to download an application called TapTap. Entire installation guide can be found in the description below. From there you need to download the game which is PUBG Mobile. So here you can see if you type PUBG, you'll have all these options. You need to use the global version. I've already downloaded the global version. After that, you'll also need an VPN initially to download the map. But remember one thing, if you have already migrated your data to BGMI, then you can't use the same account. I have also created a new account. So for once you need to download this and after that just open it and it will give you an option during the setup, install VPN profile. You need to tap on it, tap on allow and you are good to go. Now what you can do is you just have to open the game which is PUBG Mobile. So here we have the game and this is only required once guys. I have tested. Till now, I wasn't using this VPN profile. If you completely uninstall also, you'll be easily able to play the game. And I have already downloaded almost all the maps. By default, server will be North America. You can change it. And let me also close that application and show you. I'll just uninstall it and will also show you whether any VPN profile is installed or not. If you go to connection and sharing. So right now here you can see we have a VPN profile installed. Let's uninstall this application. And now if I show you, there won't be any VPN profile, but still I'll be able to play the game with no issues at all. Little bit ping will be high, but you guys can easily manage with higher ping. So we'll just show you guys 90 FPS, how it works on our OnePlus 11. We'll test out one TDM and one Shannon. First of all, let me show you the graphic settings. So here you can see under smooth, we do have the option of 90 FPS. That too in combat and even in lobby. So I'll enable the FPS meter once. And if you guys do screen recording, there are possibilities that you guys won't get to see 90 FPS. Here you can clearly see FPS is 89 in the lobby. So let's start one TDM and we'll see. First of all, you can see battery percentage is 99 and we started gaming at 4.2. Also, let me show you the device temperature and the room temperature. Currently, room temperature is somewhere around 29.7. Device temperature towards the top side, it is 35.7 and towards the bottom side, it is 35.9. And if you guys are wondering what is this is OnePlus phone cooler. I've purchased this. I'll be doing a dedicated video on it, so stay tuned for that. And it's very helpful in summers if you do a lot of gaming. So now let's start TDM and let me show you the FPS also. You can see FPS is 89 right now and you won't have any kind of issues. Once again, let me cross check the temperature towards the top side. It's 36 towards the top side. And if you see the ping also, ping is also good. I'm getting 20 ping. You can see here, ping is also 20. With no issues, you can play the game and there are no lags at all. And FPS is also constant, which is around 85 and 90 FPS. So as you all saw, there was continuous 90 FPS being delivered by OnePlus 11. Slight heating is there towards the top side. Let me show you the temperature. When we started, it was around 36. Now it has gone up to 40 degrees Celsius. And guys, remember, with 90 FPS, your device will obviously heat. So either you need to purchase some devices like this. I'll do a dedicated video on this product because it doesn't allow my device to heat at all. The cooling is quite good if you use this device. I'm not promoting this device. There are a lot of options available in the market. You guys can pick up any one. But I personally prefer OnePlus, so I bought this and it's really amazing. You guys will soon get a video in which I'll show you how does it work and how much it controls the heating part on your device. And now let's play a Shanok game and we'll see how does OnePlus 11 perform in Shanok. We'll land at the hot drop. You can still see device is constantly giving FPS between 85 and 90. We have personally tested it on OnePlus 7 series and on OnePlus 11. If it works on OnePlus 7 and the higher variant of OnePlus, which is OnePlus 11, it should work on every OnePlus smartphone. I mean to say 90 FPS. Also, you can see we are getting 90 FPS in Shanok also. We'll land in boot camp. And here you can see ping is also 28. Ping is also not that high. It varies between 20 to 60. So let's land here in boot camp and you can see the FPS. It did not go below 85 till now. Still maintaining 90 FPS while landing, and that's a good sign. By the way, here in Shanok, not a lot of people came and mostly you'll get to see bots because right now my level is not that high. But if you continuously play and increase your rank, then obviously you will get better matching in the game. And while driving also you can see FPS doesn't drop much. It's still maintaining between 85 and 90 FPS. And now if you see ping, it is exactly 20. So in Shanok, we did not get to see much of players because my rank is not that good. I think my level is 3 or 4. That's the reason matching is not happening. But if you guys want to play with 90 FPS, then this way you can play. Entire installation guide can be found in the description below. Now, if I show you the temperature of the device, so with 90 FPS, you can see device temperature haven't gone much up. It's still at 39.2 degrees Celsius. Towards the bottom side, it's 38. And if you see the battery percentage, we started at 99 and now battery percentage is 88, guys. With balance mode also, we were constantly getting good FPS. I did not see any kind of lags. So OnePlus 11 running Oxygen OS 13 is capable of handling 90 FPS with no issues. BGMI is not optimized at all. That's the reason we get to see a lot of lags, frame drops, and also no support of 90 FPS. And if you guys want to play 90 FPS, then I would say PUBG Mobile is the best one. It can be played without VPN. As you guys saw, we are not using any VPN right now and it worked flawlessly with 20 ms. Maximum pin went around 40 or 45, I guess. With almost half an hour of gameplay, device only drained 11% of battery. And trust me, it's a lot better experience if you compare it with 60 FPS. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope,